Mr. Raul results.
First of all, congratulations to Zagreb, to the coach, to the players, because I think they did a very good job today. They prepared very good this game, they played perfect and for everything, because I think this game was amazing for everybody. And about the game, I think in the first half we started to play very good in attack, in defense, we felt very good in the court, but Zagreb played better and better, and we had a lot of progression with our defense 5-1. We only took one goal of difference in the first half, but in the second half, we didn't feel at the beginning very good. We decided to change everything, to put our defense 6-0, and I think this was the best decision because our defense was very good and we took 3-4 fast break. I think in the second half we were better than them. But they played very good game. We know that everybody was talking that we were favorite, but you have to play, and we know that this is very difficult for everybody. And I'm very happy because we played very good this final, but we played all games very good. Only to congratulate to my players. I'm very happy with the victory, like this victory. And now we have to rest and to enjoy because for me it's very, very good.